Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on Hotmail login and Outlook email sign in. So first of all, open your Google account. So first of all, open any browser. So first of all, open any browser and then type in Hotmail login. Once you're here, you have to look for https outlook.live.com and click on it. And it takes you to the sign in page for Microsoft Outlook. Once you're here, you have to click on sign in. And if you don't have an account, you can create one from here. But if you do, you have to type in your email, phone, or you can also use a Skype for this. So once you've typed in your email, you can hit on next and enter your password and hit on sign in. And now that is how you sign in into your Outlook email account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps.